cancer, but early detection can save lives. Federal Bank and News 18 Network present Sanjeevani, United Against Cancer. Knowledge partner Tata Trusts. याद रखें, स्क्रीन करें।
ब्रेक के बाद आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारी इस खास पेशकश संजीवनी यूनाइटेड अगेंस्ट कैंसर में। सरकार, इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, इनोवेटर्स और प्रमुख ऑन्कोलॉजिस्ट के समर्थन से ही हम संजीवनी को देश के कोने कोने तक पहुंचाकर लोगों को कैंसर के बारे में जागरूक कर पाए। अब हमारे साथ जुड़ रही हैं डॉक्टर सेवंती लिमये, डायरेक्टर मेडिकल एंड प्रिसिजन ऑन्कोलॉजी, सर एच.एन. रिलायंस फाउंडेशन हॉस्पिटल से। डॉक्टर सेवंती, सबसे पहले स्वागत है आपका संजीवनी यूनाइटेड अगेंस्ट कैंसर के इस मंच पर। संजीवनी स्क्रीनिंग के जरिए कैंसर की रोकथाम और जल्द पहचान के लिए आवाज उठा रही है। आपको क्या लगता है, हमारे देश में इस पहल की क्या अहमियत है? कैंसर के खिलाफ एकजुट होने के लिए जागरूकता कितनी जरूरी है?
Thank you, Anand. Thank you for having me on the show. Firstly, I would like to congratulate you and Sanjeevani for a wonderful and amazing initiative. You all have reached out to millions of people to raise cancer awareness and to launch cancer screening as a major initiative in the country. This is the need of the hour. I feel we really need to get up in the arms to fight against cancer. And one of the best ways to do this, and the most cost-effective way to do this in a resource-limited nation, is to raise awareness against cancer and participate in cancer screening as a community, as a nation. The reality is that we as a nation, we as a community, we as the people of India do not screen. We don't own screening. And that has to change. We have to own screening. We have to ask for it. We have to demand for it. We have to look out for what are the avenues where screening can happen. At the least cost, free if possible, but even for payment if needed. I think in the community, if you look, even people who are well funded, well aware, well educated are not screening today. Not screening as an individual, not screening as a family, not screening as a community. That really needs to change, It needs to have changed yesterday, it needs to change today. It really would be transformative for our tomorrow. That's the only hope against this battle against cancer. Thank you for having me, for voicing my support for screening. And once again, many congratulations for Sanjeevani. So remember, Sanjeevani, United Against Cancer. याद रखें, स्क्रीन करें।
कैंसर निदान क्षेत्र के एक इनोवेटर अब हमारे साथ जुड़ गए हैं। आइए अब उनसे बात करते हैं। मिलिए आशीष त्रिपाठी जी से, चेयरमैन एपिजॉन्ड्रस बायोटेक और सीईओ जार लैब्स। स्वागत है आपका आशीष। सबसे पहले मैं आपसे जानना चाहूंगा, कैंसर के खिलाफ जंग में जल्द पहचान तो बहुत जरूरी है, और आपने एक ऐसे नए ब्लड टेस्ट की खोज की है जिससे सभी कैंसरों को उनके पहले स्टेज में ही पहचाना जा सकता है। हमें जार लैब्स के इस इनोवेशन के बारे में थोड़ा विस्तार से बताइए और इससे लोगों की सेहत पर क्या प्रभाव पड़ेगा ये भी बताइए।
Thank you, Anand. Anand, look, cancer is actually a weak disease so long as you catch it early. The problem that we have is that we typically catch the disease late, and there's an NHS study that shows that if you detect cancer at stage 1, average survival rates for a patient staying alive for 5 years or more was anywhere between 87 to 93%. If you detect it at stage 4, that number falls down to about 6%, meaning only 6% of the people can survive for 5 years. The breakthrough that TZAR Labs has made is that we can detect cancer at 93% sensitivity at stage 1. And that can have a very meaningful impact on a person's life, because it's like an annual blood test that all of us have to do once a year, and we will either catch cancer at stage 1 or before, when it is infinitely more curable. This is one disease where you actually want to detect it early, because it's a big difference to you in terms of the number of years that you will be able to live peacefully. So what you guys are working on is an extremely important step.
सामूहिक प्रयासों से परिवर्तन जरूर होता है। न्यूज 18 में हम सब इस बीमारी के खिलाफ जंग का पहला कदम उठा चुके हैं। आपके लिए पेश है एक छोटी सी प्रस्तुति। उम्मीद है ये आपको प्रेरित करेगी। कैंसर, नाम सुनते ही दिल घबरा जाता है ना। एंड द थिंग्स वी फियर
वी अवॉइड।
यहां तक कि हम कैंसर स्क्रीनिंग भी अवॉइड करते हैं।
But regular screening
is the most effective tool we have against cancer.
क्योंकि कैंसर जब जल्दी पकड़ में आता है ना
तो उसका ट्रीटमेंट भी होता है ज्यादा इफेक्टिव।
Some of the most common cancers in India
Can be detected early.
using simple screening
अगर हम सब साथ आएं
तो समाज में
बड़ा बदलाव ला सकते हैं।
Like so many others around me, I have also got my cancer screening done.
आप कब करा रहे हैं?
याद रखें, स्क्रीन करें। संजीवनी के इस सफर में हमारे साथी फेडरल बैंक के सीएमओ एमवीएस मूर्ति जी अब हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं। नमस्ते मूर्ति जी। हम संजीवनी को एक जन अभियान कैसे बना रहे हैं, ये बताइए हमारे दर्शकों को, जिससे नियमित स्क्रीनिंग रोजाना की बातचीत का एक हिस्सा बन सके। इस सीजन की योजनाओं के बारे में भी बताइए, जहां हम स्कूलों तक पहुंचकर सर्वाइकल कैंसर और उसकी रोकथाम पर जागरूकता बढ़ाएंगे।
Thank you, Anand. The good part of Sanjeevani is also the tough part of Sanjeevani, because Sanjeevani is working on creating awareness, getting people to screen and understanding the disease of cancer much deeper and much before it affects people. Now, this is a good part of it. The difficult part of it is that a lot of us have this sense of inertia, or we live in this space saying that, it can't happen to me, it can happen to somebody else, and this fear is what stops us from going out and doing. Between us and our channel partner, which is Network 18, we are going all out and getting a lot of people across different age groups to be very, very conscious of the kind of lifestyles they lead, of the kind of possibilities that may emerge out of that kind of lifestyle, and eventually lead to cancer. But the good part, again, I want to reiterate, is that we want people to focus on wellness, on health, and ensure that they make cancer screenings a part of everyday life. So that is something which is going to really help people. And given the fact that you have a wide network and different kind of languages across your channels, I'm sure we'll be able to reach a lot of people and be able to talk to them in a language that they understand and make people more and more conscious of this illness. And this time around, we are very excited because we're going to do a lot of outreach across schools, talk about cervical cancers to a lot of young girl kids. We're going to be doing a lot of corporate activations where we'll reach out to corporates and request them to ensure that their female staff are regularly screening themselves, create an awareness out there. Prostate cancer is a reality with men, so that's something that we want to go out and talk about. So there is a great balance of using the television channel, using ATL, using digital, using testimonials, getting the government involved, getting some of the key celebrities in the country involved to impress upon us that we need to be aware of the illness and we need to go out and screen. And the best part is that we are going to be going out at ground zero and helping a lot of people at their locations, whether it's a school, whether it's a corporate, to understand about the illness, to be sensitive about it, and to go out and screen themselves regularly.
ये अभियान अभी समाप्त नहीं हुआ है, ये तो बस शुरुआत है। याद रखें, स्क्रीन करे का संदेश हमें घर घर तक पहुंचाना है। आप सभी नियमित रूप से कैंसर स्क्रीनिंग कराइए, जागरूकता फैलाइए और संजीवनी यूनाइटेड अगेंस्ट कैंसर का हिस्सा बनिए, क्योंकि कैंसर की जल्द पहचान से बच सकती है जान और इससे बेहतर स्वास्थ्य परिणाम भी मिलते हैं। साथ मिलकर हम परिवर्तन जरूर ला सकते हैं। हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए धन्यवाद और संजीवनी यूनाइटेड अगेंस्ट कैंसर के अपडेट्स और इंस्पायरिंग कहानियों के लिए बने रहें न्यूज़ 18 नेटवर्क के साथ। नमस्ते।
1 in 9 Indians is vulnerable to cancer, but early detection can save lives. Federal Bank and News 18 Network present Sanjeevani United Against Cancer. Knowledge partner Tata Trusts. याद रखें, स्क्रीन करें।
के पास का है।